Good morning. It's Thursday, April 16th, and we're looking at the live trade signals, and I want to show you what right here yesterday morning at 6:08 said could see a bounce here 28.0 back to 28.06, but likely going to see a bit lower after some bouncing. And that 2780 seems like a good first bounce target. That was at 6:08. Now let's hop over here and look at what actually happened yesterday. We bounced up. There's 27. This was 2780 right there. We probed that to 81.75. They came down to 51.25. They ended up holding here in this 53, 54 area. Then they moved up overnight, or before the close here, they moved up to 92.75. They sold off. What were we targeting down here? They come down, they touch 46, buyers come in, buy it up. And then where's the high of the overnight? Right there, 28.06.25. We said 28.06, 28.06.25. So here's what would be ideal here this morning coming in here. They came down, they actually didn't take this liquidity, and I don't know if the liquidity is gone down here, and they may have, sometimes what happens is the buyers get so aggressive they have to pull the limit orders and get into the market, and that certainly looks like what happened here. So a pullback to this area would be great. This 80 area, that'd be a great area to look for. And then, not to say we can ignore these, we could get some bouncing from here, but this would not likely be a reversal area. So if we came back lower than this, we likely are going to see, remember yesterday we said 63 to 60 was important, and then we had that 54 down to 50 area. They probed that down to there overnight, but basically we'd have a little bit to get through here between 63 and 53. But if they keep going, then we have a CP down here at 27.30. We just kind of have to see how all this reacts. What happens in this range? What happens here around key turns? Around what happens here at between 45 and 40? And then do they come down here to 31? So I'll just be, involved, as active as I can in the chat. And then what would be ideal, and we may not get it, but what would be ideal is on the open to get a pullback to here and then a push, and we're looking for, this would be kind of a minimum target up here at 26. And we could see even quite a bit higher, but this is a pretty obvious area right here. That'd be pretty obvious if we could get up to there. So maybe we don't get the extra pullback. It would be nice. Maybe we don't get the pullback, and if we're able to break here, then we could break out here, get a pullback from there, and then we've got here, and then we've got here. But really, we could see quite a bit higher. They've definitely looked like they've wanted to go back up into this 28.60 to 28.70. It's not even going to show up on my chart. It's been a long time since we've been up there. So they've looked like they've wanted to go up into this area. So we'll see how that all plays out. We'll see. We had good, bad unemployment numbers, if there's such a thing as that. So, instead of 6 million, it's only like 5 million people. And so the market jumped up on that. But as of right now, a pullback to this area. If we break this area, we'll start looking for a lot more aggressive selling. But for now, at least that 28.25 area to start off, and then we'll go from there. And I'll see you in the live trade signals.